Hello YouTubers, I finally got my truck back. I had this in the transmission shop. I couldn't get it in the 5th gear, and it just wouldn't go. And anyways, it turned out there was silicone in there. Someone had silicone in there, and there was a bunch of gears with chipped teeth and everything else on there. So the guy that worked on it, rather than R&R it with another transmission, he rebuilt this one. Put all new gears, synchros, shift forks, the whole 9 yards in here. And Zeidler's transmission, around here, that's the place to go. Anyway, it wasn't cheap, but it drives like a brand new truck. Clutch is smooth. I don't have to double shift. I had to double clutch before. I had a lot of trouble with it clanging gears and grinding and stuff, and now it works really good. Everything synchros up really nice. So it was well worth the money. It was a lot of money, but it was well worth it. The guy put a lot of labor into it. The guy that worked on it, he's a bit of a perfectionist, which is how I would prefer it. And he actually tore it apart twice because he didn't like how 5th gear acted after the first time. There was a little part that he wasn't able to get that is no longer manufactured. So everything works great, but 5th in reverse is sometimes a little hard to get in. But other than that, it's perfect. So my hat's off to Zeidler's transmission. That's who you take it to around here. They're not cheap, but they're not fly-by-night either. They do a very thorough job. Anyway, now I also bought a new computer because my computer crapped out. All it would do is I'd turn it on, it would overheat and shut itself off. And we wouldn't even stay on long enough for me to upload anything or process any video. I couldn't do anything with it. So I bought a new computer. It's actually a gaming laptop. I figure a gaming laptop, I should be able to process video a lot better. Right now I'm having trouble with the keyboard in it, but I should be able to upload some videos now. And I was using Windows Live Movie Maker, and I don't have that installed. I've got a couple other video editors installed. I may try them out, see how they work. But once I get the editing system in that I want, then I'll be back to putting out videos, and you'll get some videos. This right here, I'm just going to upload the way it is, because I can upload it directly after recording it on the camera, but the hunting videos, you got to edit them. There's not enough real time. No one's going to want to watch 3 or 4 hours of nothing, so they have to be edited. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe, and you can support me on Patreon. Any donation would definitely help. Thank you very much.